What is going on YouTube? I finally gave in, got the Igloo WWE Championship belt, fanny pack, bum bag, wherever you are in the world. Here we go, box opening, or rather package opening. Let's go. Okay, I gave in. Make sure it's the right. Ooh. Oh, look how nice it is. So these keep coming up advertised. I guess once I've looked at it, it keeps coming up over and over and over and over again. So I gave in and got one. I don't need one, but I do need one. You know it goes. And at Amazon Prime, look at that, look how good that is. Look at like the jewels and stuff. There it is, licensed. How good is that? There's the tag, close up. There it is. I mean, look at all the detail, all the sparkles and stuff. I wonder how long it takes before one of those falls off. Wow, heavyweight championship. See, even that's got the sparkles all the way around. So nice. Super heavy duty, whatever you call those. Where's the there it is. Licensed. Like I said, it's amazing. It's like, I'm so impressed with it. Heavy duty, super big. Strap is amazing. I can't believe how long the strap is. I mean, the strap's pretty long as well. Look at the strap, it's really long. So even fatties like me could probably, oh yeah, easily. Maybe a little bit longer, teeny little bit longer. Look how much room's in there. Apparently you can fit like 4 beers in there. And it's insulated, so it keeps your drinks nice and cool. Okay, here we go. How cool that is. Wow, good, isn't it? So good. Oh. Okay. So. Got a Gatorade in there. Got another Gatorade in there. Dr. Pepper. And I could probably fit more. so cool and it's so good. I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, end of the video. Just want to remind you we have a few, this is mine, this is a bit dirty, but I've been wearing it to death. Lucha Libre trucker caps, Lost Carton. Been wearing mine a ton, as you would probably have seen in previous videos. A few left. Hook it up.